Welcome to our channel Circuits Analytica. In this tutorial, we will find the value of current I3 and power supplied by the 1 ampere current source. So first of all, let us mark the nodes as node P and node R. Now let us simplify this network. So here the two 6 ohms resistors are connected in shunt. Two 8 ohms resistors are also connected in shunt. And 3 ohm and 5 ohm resistors are connected in series. So let us replace these combinations with its equivalent resistance. So two 6 ohms resistors connected in shunt is replaced with a 3 ohms resistor. Two 8 ohms resistors connected in shunt is replaced with a 4 ohms resistor. And series combination of 3 ohms and 5 ohms resistor is replaced with a single resistance of value 8 ohms. This network can be further simplified as here there are three 15 ohms resistors connected in shunt. So according to Ohm's law, I3 is equal to Vx divided by 15. If Vx is known, we can find the value of I3 very easily. So these three 15 ohms resistors are connected in shunt. So these three 15 ohms resistors can be replaced with a single resistance of value 5 ohms. According to Ohm's law, Vx is equal to 5 ohms into 1 ampere. That means Vx is equal to 5 volt. Again, application of Ohm's law. I3 is equal to Vx divided by 15. So Vx is equal to 5 volt. That means I3 is equal to 5 divided by 15. That means I3 is equal to 0.33 ampere or 330 milliampere. So I3 is equal to 330 milliampere. Power supplied by 1 ampere current source is P is equal to V into I. P is equal to 5 into minus 1 as this 1 ampere current is flowing outwards with respect to positive terminal. Power supplied by 1 ampere current source is equal to minus 5 watts. Thanks for watching Circuits Analytica. Enjoy learning.